workers para ihanda sila sa implementation ng ating programa. Next, we hope to secure sufficient demand for the immunization program by closely coordinating with implementing units such as the local government units, other national government agencies, development partners, as well as the private sector. Even as we endeavor to ensure the vaccine we procure is safe and effective, we also face the reality that this is a novel product development. Hence, we are also laying down mechanisms to monitor and manage possible adverse reactions of the various COVID-19 vaccines. Magkakaroon po tayo ng COVID-19 National, Regional Adverse Event Following Immunization Committees at isa pong centralized national EFI surveillance system para sa isang coordinated vaccine safety surveillance and response. Maglalatag po tayo ng oversight mechanism para siguraduhin sang-ayon sa ating protocols ang buong end-to-end process ng vaccination deployment sa national, regional, and local levels sa tulong po ng ating mga vaccination operations center. Dito na po tayo dumako sa National Deployment and Vaccination Plan. This is the final item of my presentation. Ang National Deployment and Vaccination Plan ang siyang magiging end-to-end guide para sa mga implementers tulad ng ating mga LGUs. Nais ko lang magbigay ng karagdagan.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.